If you've got a free afternoon this week and a kid who's already bored of every toy in the house, here are 5 easy crafts that take almost no prep, almost no shopping, and almost no cleanup. You probably have most of the supplies in a kitchen drawer right now. Each one comes with the steps on screen, so you can pause anywhere and follow along at whatever pace works for your family. Let's get into them. Craft 1. Painted Kindness Rocks. This is the one to start with if your kid has the attention span of a goldfish, because it's basically impossible to get wrong. Head out for a 5-minute walk and grab a few smooth, palm-sized rocks. Bring them home, give them a quick rinse, and let them dry. Let your child unleash their creativity by painting whatever they want on them. A heart, a smiley face, a single word like kind or hello. Here's the part that makes it special. Once they're dry, go for another walk and leave the rocks somewhere a stranger will find them. A park bench, a path, the base of a tree. Kids absolutely love the idea that someone they'll never meet is going to pick up their rock and smile. Craft 2. Paper Plate Sunflower. Number 2 is a paper plate sunflower, which is basically the ultimate get-you-out-of-a-rainy afternoon craft. All you need is 1 paper plate, some yellow paper or yellow paint, a brown circle for the middle, and glue. Paint the back of a paper plate yellow, or just use a yellow plate if you've got one. While that's drying, your child cuts a circle of brown paper for the center, or you can use crumpled up brown tissue paper for texture. Glue the brown circle in the middle of the plate, then cut yellow paper into petal shapes and glue them around the rim of the plate so they fan out behind it. If your kid is older, you can stick the whole thing on a green pipe cleaner or a popsicle stick to make a stem. Hand it over as a gift to a grandparent or stick it on the fridge. Craft 3. Salt Dough, Handprint, Keepsake. The third one takes a little longer, but it's the one you'll keep forever, so it's worth the extra time. The recipe is 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of salt, and roughly 1 cup of water. You might need to adjust the water as you mix. Stir it all together and knead it into a smooth dough. Roll it out about 1/2 inch thick on a baking sheet and have your child press their hand into it firmly enough to leave a clear print. Bake it at the lowest setting your oven has, around 200 degrees Fahrenheit or 100 Celsius, for about 3 hours. Yes, it's slow, but the dough holds the print perfectly, and once it's cooled, your child can paint it however they like. Stick a magnet on the back or punch a hole in it before baking and turn it into an ornament. These are the crafts that end up in shoe boxes that parents look at 15 years later and tear up over. Worth the 3-hour bake. Craft 4. Tissue Paper Suncatcher. Number 4 is one of the most satisfying crafts on this list, especially when the sun's coming through your windows. Cut a piece of clear contact paper into whatever shape you like, a circle, a heart, a butterfly, and peel off the backing so the sticky side is facing up. Lay it flat on the table. Then your child tears or cuts small pieces of colored tissue paper and sticks them on, overlapping and layering as much as they want. Once it's covered, put a second piece of contact paper on top to seal it. Tape it to a window where the sun comes through and the whole thing lights up like stained glass. The best part is, this one is basically impossible to mess up. The more chaotic the tissue paper layout, the better it tends to look. Craft 5. Nature Collage. The last one is the easiest of all 5 and the most flexible. A nature collage. Take your child on a short walk, backyard, park, wherever, and bring a small bag. Let them pick up whatever catches their eye. Leaves, petals, twigs, small flowers, interesting bits of bark. There's no wrong answer, and the gathering itself is half the fun. Back home, give them a piece of cardboard or thick paper and a glue stick, and let them arrange everything however they want. Some kids will make faces or animals out of the pieces. Others will arrange them by color. Others will glue everything in a big, chaotic pile. All of it works. If you want to take it one step further, slip the finished collage between 2 pieces of contact paper to seal it, and you've got a keepsake that lasts. If you're not sure where to start, here's the cheat code. The painted rocks are the fastest. The salt dough handprint is the one you'll keep the longest. And the tissue paper suncatcher is the one most kids will ask to do the next day again. Pick whichever one matches the energy in your house this afternoon. Let us know in the comments which one you and your kids ended up making, and tag us if you share a photo. We love seeing them. And if you want more easy ideas, check out our channel for fun, easy-to-follow ideas. Subscribe, there's a lot more to come.